Let me see. Hello, I'm to.
Man Mugla. Good morning. Good morning to everyone. จะน้อยด้านเจ้าจะเริ่มคือจิยาก่อนที่จะชกของวันเลย Today we are very happy for the arriving of our special guest today. จะน้อยด้านเจ้าจันเลยจะรู้หรอกว่าร้องของวันเลย We are very happy for the warm welcome we offer to them today morning. เทศกับกัวร้านดีอันเบกthe division, especially the East and Central Africa division president, and is a special team. Their comfort and obedience, and we greatly thank God. We have been waiting for so long, and today God did it. We receive it today. And therefore, God bless all of us here. This is our special Thanksgiving. Dear invited guests, especially the other Gambela church members, God be with you. And we especially also stretch our thanksgiving to our President, His Excellency Dr. Galwatut. He took this program as it belonged to him, and he received our guests from airport up to where we are now. Therefore, let God be with Dr. and his people.
And tell me, when we talk like to feed anything back a PL.
Pastor Shankwai said he wanted to say something very briefly and shortly for our guests who come from East Central Africa Division. He is going to say something about our field.
Southeast West PL.
It is abbreviated Southeast Field.
Pastor Takaleng.
Especially Pastor Takaleng. We are very happy for having him with us today. And the second,
Atu Bishaka.
Atu Bishaka.
Again, Southwest PL and Treasurer.
Again, Southwest Field Treasurer.
Again,
and this is special guest from Southwest Field. The other special guest is our union president,
Pastor Tamergen.
Pastor Tamergen. He is with us. We are very happy for having him with us today.
Pastor Luca.
Mr. Pastor Luca is with us today also. We are very happy for having him with us. Mr. Asialo Alamu is with us today. He is the treasury of union. He comes with his president, Mr. Tamergen. He is with us.
Pastor President Tamergen John Group event.
Pastor is highly ready to invite Pastor Tamergen, our union president, to come and say something briefly. Please, we need to, your warming icon to Mr. Tamergen. Okay? Thì cháu đến là lúc vừa qua rồi cái này đến. Thì cháu đến là cái rồi đấy chứ. Yeah, we hear our decision for the message come from Mr. Sokat.
And then mà ban được dạy đi ăn ban được phản.
You are all invited to stand and before God and pray.
Pastor Luca, Bapak.
Pastor Lucas is invited to
Đi đến ban này đều từ đằng đàn, ban này còn kẹt
and